Hi friends, I'm showing you today the RCA to HDMI converter. It's a UPGROW RCA to HDMI converter, and let me open the pack. So this comes with a USB cable, the converter, the HDMI port. So this is the output. This is the USB cable socket and 720p to 1080p, and this is the input for the RCA. There is a manual, and the manual is in English, so it's easy to understand and read. No issue. They have given all the specification, use and details of this converter. So let me open this cable and put it here. So this cable will go in a small socket here, and this will be then put to the USB so that to provide the power to this converter. Now for the input and the output, I am just putting my V consoles because V console is very old and comes with the RCA cable. So I am just using that one. So this is my V console RCA cable. So I am putting white into white, yellow into yellow, and red into red. So this complete the input, and then I am putting my HDMI cable for my TV output. So here the HDMI goes. There is no indicator, so I will not know until I just check it online. I will select 720p or the 108p from here in the small switch, so you can slide it accordingly, and you can put on 720 or the 1080p. And now let me on my TV. So this is my V, and you can see that it is showing the display. So this is pretty fine. I don't see any blurring or any switching of that. And if you can see at the top corner on the left, if I am selecting the 720p or 1080p, it is actually coming on the top left corner of the TV. So this is the UPGROW, and you can see there is an upscaler 1080p. That's how it is coming up, and this is the metal body on the top. So it's really nice built, and the converter and everything works fine. Good.